Potato mushroom taquitos. Let's go. We're going to add our potatoes in the water, salt it, cover it, and cook. Chop your mushrooms. In the blender, add 2 tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, a quarter of an onion, salt, blend well, and strain. When your potatoes are done, cool and then peel. Mash them with a ricer or by hand. In a hot pan, cook your mushrooms, stir often. After 3 minutes, lower to medium heat, add in your tomato base, season, and cook till the base is reduced halfway. Add your potato and mix well. Warm up your tortillas so they can roll easier. Now we're going to pan fry our tortillas seam down so it can seal better. Now we're going to add cream, the salsa you prefer. I'm using a avocado habanero salsa, which I love. Lettuce, cheese. Now take a bite and remember, buen provecho.